Hello, my name is Diana Milena Nieves. I am a student of the course English A2. This is the third point of the speaking activity. Please description. The Christ Redeemer is listed as one of the 7 wonders of the world. Is located in the city of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil on top of Corcovado Hill. Description of my visit to redeem Christ in the postal. Hello, Mom. I want to tell you that I am very happy. In the city of Rio de Janeiro, it is a very beautiful place. I have come with my friends to visit the Redeemer Christ from Corcovado. We had to get to the top by train. From the train you can see the landscape very well, but as he goes up you begin to feel nervous. Do you know, sometimes I'm surprised how many people come here. There are many people and most of them are foreigners. Look, in this photo, I am next to the Redeemer Christ. It's amazing how big it is. In this other photo, I am with my group of friends enjoy the good view. That day we had a great time, we laughed, we took many photos, we enjoyed the sunset. This is definitely one of the best retreats I've ever done. Well, another day I write to you again. Kisses, Diana. Thank you.